Hello everybody, I'm at this orange vending machine again. Orange because it's more Matchbox than Hot Wheels. So let's see. Jeep Renegade, a pair of Chevy C10, another Jeep Renegade, and the Twizy. Batman animated. The 1970 Ford Bronco, the Rivian, another Jeep Renegade. You can see the cut has been discolored, turned yellow. The Express food truck, Express delivery, sorry. Chevy Love 64 Lincoln Continental, Ford Ranchero, another Chevy C10, the Garbage King, garbage truck, Jeep Renegade again, Chevy C10, the Minecraft Jeepster, Ford Interceptor, the Auburn Speedster from Indiana Jones, the Land Rover Defender, a pair of Ford Bronco, Twizy, El Segundo, the Opel Kadett, Ford Bronco again, El Segundo again, and a Subaru Forester. So what is interesting to buy is this Lincoln Continental or the Land Rover Defender. At the side we have Tesla, which is more expensive. We also have monster truck and the off-road vehicle, but these are all more expensive. Tesla Model S, Model X, Model 3. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.